Hello everyone. Good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and revise a very important chapter of your NCERT exercise, which is linear equations in two variables. Okay, and dear student, in that chapter we discuss all the important topic included in that chapter. Okay, and also we discuss the graph of the linear equation in previous class, and we take some important question of your syllabus and solve it. Okay, now dear student, in today class we are going to take and discuss the very important chapter of your NCERT exercise, which is algebraic identities. What? Algebraic identities. Dear student, this is very important chapter for you and your examinations. Okay, now first of all, dear students, we discuss all the important algebraic identities which is in your syllabus. Now let's see. So first of all, we are going to discuss some important identities. Okay, there are some important identities. Are first one is, you know that the value a plus b whole square. The identity, this is very important identities, which is equal to what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Similarly, second one is what? This is a minus b whole square. This is what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Third one, dear student, what? A square minus b square. The value of a square minus b square is what? The value of a square minus b square is what? A plus b in one bracket, and in another bracket is a minus b. Okay, so these are very important algebraic identities. Now next one is what? Fourth one is what? We have a plus b whole cube. The value of a plus b whole cube is what? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. This is the value of a plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. And fifth one is what? This is a minus b whole cube. Dear student, this is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. Now sixth one, dear student, this is a cube plus b cube. This is a plus b whole cube, and this is a cube plus b cube is equal to what? A plus b in one bracket, and in another bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Next one, this is a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b in one bracket, and in another bracket we have a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, this is also a very important identities. Okay, now next one is what? Let's see. Next one is what? Eighth one, which is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. This one, this is very important identities which is in your syllabus. Okay, let's see. The formula for a plus b plus c whole square is what? This is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, this is the very important sorry, very important algebraic identities of your syllabus. Okay, which is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. This is one of the most important algebraic identities of your syllabus. And last one, which is very important for you, which is what? Let's see. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, and this one is a very important algebraic identities of your syllabus, and the formula for this is what? In first bracket we write a plus b plus c, and in second bracket this is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, thus dear student, in this way here we write the 9 algebraic identities are there, which are very important for you. Okay, so first of all, dear student, you learn all that algebraic identities, okay, very carefully. Then after you can solve all the question of your NCERT exercise based on that identities. Okay, so these are the very important algebraic identities. Now we are going to discuss one one of the most important result related to ninth algebraic identities as a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Let's see. Dear students, we have a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to what? A plus b plus c in another bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, if note, please note down, dear students, if the value of a plus b plus c is equal to 0, okay, if the value of a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then what is the value of this? Let's see. Then the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to what? 0 into that, all equal to 0, that is whole 0. Now we can write a cube, the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to minus 3abc, transfer that side, so we get plus 3abc plus 3abc. This is the one. This is one of the most important result. Very important result. Okay, the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. This is one of the most important result related to identities a cube plus b cube plus c cube. If, dear students, in any question, any type of question, the value of a plus b plus c is equal to 0, if the value of a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then in that condition the result of the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to what? 3abc. This is one of the most important result. Okay, now dear students, in this way we discuss all the important algebraic identities which are involved in your syllabus. Now we take and solve some important question of your syllabus based on that algebraic identities. Okay, dear students. Let's see. Now we have a question. Expand. Question is expand root 2x minus 3y whole square under root 2x minus 3y whole square. This is the question here. Our question is we just expand the value under root 2x minus 3y whole square. Okay, we just express it. Okay, now let's see its solution. First of all, we have what? Under 2x minus 3y whole square. Since we know that, dear friends, we know that the value of a minus b whole square is what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so we can expand the given question based on the identity a minus b whole square. Here the value of a is what? Under 2 into x. Here the value of a is what? Under 2x, and the value of b is what? 3y. Okay, now we express them based on that identities and simplify them. Okay, let's see. So thus we can write under 2x minus 3y whole square is equal to a square means under 2x square plus b square means 3y square minus 2ab. Minus 2ab means what? 2 into a means what? Under 2x into b means what? 3y. Okay, now what I do? Now we just simplify them and we get our result. Let's see. Under 2 into x, the root or the square of root is what? 2 only. So 2x square plus 3 3 is 9y square minus 3 2 is 6 into under root 2, means 6 under root 2 into x into y. This is our required solution of the given question. Okay. Thus, dear student, in this way you can expand all the question based on that type of identities. Okay. Now we take and solve next question, some other important question based on algebraic identities. Let's see. Now let's see. Find the products. The question is find the product, and your question is 2x plus 3y 2x plus 3y into 2x minus 3y. This is your question here. Okay, we just find the product of 2x plus 3y and 2x minus 3y. So what is the process of that question? Dear student, we can solve that question based on the identity a square minus b square. Let's see the solution. First of all, here we know that, dear friends, we know that a square minus b square is what? A plus b in one bracket and a minus b in another bracket. We know that, or we can write a plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square. Thus, from question, this is what? This is 2x plus 3 into, this is what? 2x minus 3 is equal to what? This is y, 3y and 3y here. Now, let's see, the value of a is what here? This is 2x, and the value of b is what? 3y. So, a plus, this question is the form of a plus b into a minus b. So, we can write what as a square minus b square. So, we can write a means what? 2x. So, that is 2x square minus b means what? 3y. So, we write as 3y square. Now, we simplify them to do this is 4x square minus 3 3 this is 9 y square. This is our required solution of the given question. Okay, dear students. Thus, dear students, in this way you can solve that type of question using the algebraic identities. Now we take and solve some other important question based on the identities. Okay, let's see, dear students. Now evaluate by using identities. Your question is evaluate what? Evaluate 104 into 96 by using identities. By using identity. Okay, now let's see. We just multiply 104 and 96 by using the identities. Now, what is the process to solve that type of question? Let's see, dear student. First of all, we write a question. We have what? 104 into 96. Okay, now we just write 104 as what? 100 plus 4. Okay, 100 plus 4 into, we write 96 as what? 100 minus 4. Okay, we write as what? 100 minus 4. Now let's see. Let us take this is A, this is B, this is A, and this is what? B. Then the identity is A. This is the form of A plus B into A minus B. Or since we know that, dear students, This is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we have what? We write a is 100. This is 100 plus, sorry, thus this 100 plus 4 into 100 minus 4 is equal to a square, means 100 square minus, this is b. The value of b is what? Here the value of b is what? 4. So here we write as 4 square. So we get what? This is 10,000. Okay, dear students. Minus 4 for the 16. So now we subtracting them. 16. So we get what? This is 4. 9. 9 minus 1. This is 8. This is 9. This is 9. 9,984. This is our required solution of the given question. Okay, dear students. So this is very important question of your NCERT exercise. So dear students, do more and more practices of that type of question. So in this way, first of all, you write the given question. After that, you observe all the questions, and we can write this in this form. Now we have an identities as a plus b to a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, and we using that identities and solving them. Okay, thus in this way we solve all that type of questions. Now dear students, we take some other important type of question based on the algebraic identities. Let's see. Now, our question is, if x plus 1 upon x is equal to 6, if x plus 1 upon x is equal to 6, find the values of, first one is what? Find the values of x square plus 1 upon x square, and second one is what? This is x to the power 4 plus y 1 upon x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. This is the question here. Now let's see its solution. Now let's see its solution. Thus, this is very important question. Okay, and this is very interesting, also very interesting question. So let's see its solution. Since first of all we know that x plus 1 upon x is equal to 6. Now we know that, or we just write we have. We have x plus 1 upon x is equal to 6. Okay. Now we find what? X square plus 1 upon x square, we find that. We take equation number 1. Okay. Now let's see, dear student, in which now first of all we squaring both sides of equation, because if we squaring both sides, then that term is also coming in squaring that relations. Okay, now let's see. So now squaring equation 1. Okay, squaring equation 1, we get what? Let's see. We can write first of all in this way: x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to 6 square. So we have what? This is a plus b whole square, and you know that, since we know that the value of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2ab. So dear students, in that place we apply that identities. Okay, now the a is x and b is what? 1 upon x. So we can write a square means x square, b square means 1 upon x square. 1 is the square of 1 is 1, plus 2ab plus 2 into a into b, okay, is equal to 6 is the 36. Now here x cancel to each other, so we get what? X square plus x square is equal to 1 upon x equal to 36, and 2 transfer that side, that is minus 2, that is 36 minus 2, that is what, dear friend? 34. This is our required solution of the given question. Hence in this way, dear student, we find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. Now, dear student, in second part of this question, we just find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. Now, what I do, dear students, in second part of this question, let's see, we take this is first part, now we take the second part of this question. Now, let's see, we have a relation what x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 34. Now, in finding the value x to the power 4 upon 1 upon x to the power 4, we just square again, we square both sides of this relation. Now, squaring both sides, we get, let's see, so we can write this is x square plus 1 upon x square whole square is equal to 34 square, है ना? Now let's see, now a square means x power 4 plus b square means what? 1 upon x power 4 plus 2 into a into b is equal to 34 square. That is square of 34. Let's see, 34 into 34. 8, 13, यानी 1156. Okay, now we just find the value of this value. Now let's see, dear students, x square is cancelled to each other. Now what I get, let's see. Now, dear students, the value of x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 4 is equal to 1156 plus transfer that side plus 2, this is minus 2. Thus, the value of this is what? 1154. This is our required solution of the given question. Okay. Thus, dear students, in this way, you apply all the algebraic identities in this way. First of all, you observe whole the question. After that, you can solve each and every question. So now, we take some other important question of your syllabus based on that identity. Let's see. Now let's see the question. If your question is, if 3x plus 2y, if 3x plus 2y is equal to 12, and xy is equal to 6 and x into y is equal to 6, find the value of, okay, find the value of 9x square plus 4y square. Dear students, this is also a very important question based on the algebraic identity. Let's see its solution. First of all, dear students, we have this 3x plus 2y is equal to 12, take equation number 1, and second one xy is equal to 6, take equation number 2. Now, and we just find the value of 9x square plus 4y square. We find that. Okay. Dear student, that terms are coming in which process? If we squaring equation 1 both sides, if we squaring both sides of equation 1, then we get that terms. So, in finding the value of a 9x square plus 4y square, first of all we squaring both sides of equation 1. Okay. Now, squaring both sides of equation 1, we get, so we get as what? This is 3x, we can write whole square is equal to 12 square. Okay. Now we expand them, and you know that, since we know that the value of a identity a plus b whole square is equal to what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. We know that very well. Now we expand the then now let's see, the value of a is here 3x and b is 2y. So a square means 3x square, b square means 2y square plus 2 into a to b means 3x into 2y. 2ab is equal to 12 square is what? Square of 12 is 144. Now we have a 9 and 3 is a 9x square, 2 2s are 4y square plus 3 2 3s are 6 2s are 12. xy is equal to 144. Thus the value of 9x square plus 4y square is equal to what? 144 minus 12 into xy. Now from equation 2 we get, let's see, from equation 2, dear student, the value of xy is what? 6. So here we put what? 6. We get what? This is 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 144 minus 12 into 6. 12 into 6. Thus we get what? Thus we get this is 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 144 minus 72. So we get, let's see, 4 minus 2, that is 2. This is 7. 72. Yes, this is our required solution of the given question. Thus, in this way, dear student, you can solve that type of question. This is one of the most important question or topic of your syllabus. Okay, dear student. Now we take one more question based on that identities. Let's see. Let's see, dear students. Similarly, we take a question. If x plus 1 upon x is equal to under root 5. Okay, find x square plus 1 upon x square. Okay, this is very interesting and easy question. We solved that type of question just in previous questions. Okay, now let's see its solution. First of all, dear friends, we have x plus 1 upon x is equal to under root 5. Now squaring both sides. Now what? Squaring both sides we get. Let's see. So we can write x plus 1 upon x whole square. Okay, is equal to what? Under root 5. Because of why we squaring both sides, dear student? Because of we just find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square, and here if we squaring both sides then we get that terms. Okay, so let's see. So squaring both sides we get what? This is a square, this is b square plus 2 into a into b. 2 into a means x, b means 1 upon x is equal to the square of root 5 is what? 5 only. So here we write as 5. So we get what? This is x square, this is 1 upon x square plus x cancel to each other. So we left only 2 is equal to 5. Thus the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. This is our required solution of the given questions. Okay, let's see once more time. Dear student, if we find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4, then what I do? Then dear student, if we find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4, in that condition, again we squaring that. Again we squaring both sides of x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 3. Then we get the values of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. Okay, dear students, thus, dear students, in this way, in today's class, we take and revise a very important chapter of your NCERT exercise, which is algebraic identities. So, first of all, you revise and learn all the algebraic identities which we discussed in that class, and solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Okay. Now, dear students, in next class, we take and solve some other important questions based on algebraic identities. Okay. Now thanks to all.